welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. For today's video, I have here a melodysusie PR. This is their manicure and pedicure nail drill kit, and they sent me this to try out. So I am very excited about that because, you know, who doesn't need a pedicure drill in their life? And I do have a coupon code to save you 12% off your order. It is LisaMC12. Just enter that at checkout and you can save 12%. So I'm just going to get to the unboxing, opening everything up, and take a look at this product. So I will be getting into depth a little more later about, you know, the use of everything I'm showing you here. But we got that, we got some sanding bands, a good amount actually. We got the cord USB to charge it up. And then we have this pack of huge drill bits. You know, being that it's a pedicure and manicure set, they have some really big ones that I think are gonna do great. And then the drill itself. So let's see what we have. So first we have the large sapphire wheel, which removes calluses on the soles of your foot. So this is pretty big. This is so cool. I didn't realize it was going to come with so many cool big bits in here. And then you have the small sapphire wheel, which removes hard skin and corns on the soles of your foot. And then we got this shape right here. Sapphire callus file removes calluses on the soles of your heel. Okay. And now this one. Sapphire cone reduces thick toenails and calluses and removes cracks on the heels. So this is the felt cone, which obviously, you know, it's felt. It feels not like all these ones. Eliminate dust, polishing, and matting. So that's cool that they give you one of those. And mandrel plus sanding bands. So here's our mandrel and all the sanding bands. And then you got the umbrella top cutter, which is this one. And it cleans the cuticle area and side walls, cleans dirt from under the toenails. Well, not toenails, just says the nails. And then we have this one, which is the rounded top cutter. It removes product in side walls and remove callous skin around side walls. So that's really, really cool. They give you 8 bits. And then what this is here is this is a dust protector, prevents dust splashing, needs to be used together with bits. So, does it hook around the bit? Seems like it might do that. So let's see, let's insert a bit. Okay, yeah, so it's gonna, go around the bit. Okay, that's how you get the tight fit. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna use this. This prevents the splashing. This thing is like heavy duty, and this is like soft, that soft matte feeling. It is so freaking pretty. It does have a forward and reverse option. This is the power button. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna have to charge this before I do any work with this, but this is so, so cool. All these bits are like amazing to get, and they're all great, big, appropriate sizes for a pedicure. And this is just like so, so cool and so handy. This is like, you know, what every girl basically needs in their life. So I'm really happy about this. Now, I do not like feet. I am not going to show my feet. So I will turn this on, you know, because obviously we got to see what this sounds like and all that. So let me just plug this in. It's plugged in. You can like see here, like there's lights that are lit. So I'm guessing, is it a long hold? Or maybe you just needs to just get some juice. So let's see, because that's something I should have read, right? The battery needs to be charged fully before first use to ensure optimal performance. Do not overcharge a device or use it when it is charging. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to that. I'm gonna let this charge for a little bit, and you know, we'll see how loud it is and the speed and all that. So it has the speed control here. Oh, it says when in use, indicator light flashes if the power is lower than 20%. Here we go. Charging time is 2 hours. Okay, so I let this charge up and we are back. So I'm just gonna put in a bit and we can see the volume and all that. I'm gonna go with the felt one. So also, this is an insert one, like, you know, there's no locking. So you put that in, and it's right here, it says off. So right now it's in the off position. And then here you have your forward and reverse. And this cute little swirl right there is for the speed. So I'm gonna put it on like that. Three. Okay, so this seems like it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it has 4 speeds. I'm gonna do it on 3. Okay. Very nice. Very nice and comfortable. It's like a non-slip grip, being that this is, you know, matte feeling. So I am actually going to use this on my toes as soon as I stop with this video. Now, this bit, they say, is to clean under your nails. Now, being that this says it's a manicure and pedicure, I just want to try this. Whoops, turning it on would be good. Under my nails, under my natural nails. Because I actually did just take off all of my products and I filed them down for another video that I'm about to do. Okay, yeah, so that works. So yeah, I'm really satisfied with this. While it's not like the most quiet, it's not the most, you know, loudest, annoying thing either. And I just know with all these amazing, huge bits, this will make my pedicures like on point, and I am so excited to get into that. So thank you so much to melodysusie for sending me this new manicure and pedicure nail drill to try out. I really appreciate it, and thank you to you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.